Hello, this is a review of the Bug Zapper that I just got, the Buzz Buo. Okay, so I'm opening the box. It includes a little handy dandy brush, a USB connector, and the unit itself. Let me pull that out. This Bug Zapper you'll see me through it, so it's transparent. It has a hanger as such. And this USB cord that was included, I'll unbox that. It's a USB-C on the receive end. Oh, there's a nice withdrawable tray. So all of the casualties of your endeavor will be on that tray. So this plugs directly in, and this plugs to a wall receptacle. If you have one of these, a USB wall outlet, I'm going to plug this in. And this device also has a battery. So that might mean you plug it in and it will hold a charge. Okay, to turn on the device, there it is, it's on. There's a little push button on the side. I'll push that to turn it off and I will charge it. Here's a cool feature about the device. You can pop off this screen. I'm just gonna lift it with my hands and then I can get inside to clean it with a rag or a washcloth. And then to put back the screen, I'm going to, whoops. Put it up in here and then I'll clip them into the plastic clips. There you go. Pretty cool instructions and instructions in other languages on the back. So the battery, according to question 2, the battery will last in a standby time of about 7 hours. So then based upon the number of bugs that you're zapping, it will either expire fast or slow. And that's that. All right, it's been 2 days. I've had this Bug Zapper from BuzzBug. I've had this in my porch for 2 days. Let's see if there's been any casualties. The unit has a tray. This tray that's retractable. So you can see some bug stuff on the bottom, but I can pull out the tray and I can see for myself. Look at that. All through this Bug Zapper. It's a win.